students, how are you? Student, yesterday I explained the 7th part of the lesson. Now I am going to explain the 8th part of it. He did not sound worried, and I know he would hide him and not take him back, not for a while at any rate. Students, when Murad told Aram that either they had to carry the horse to his owner or to a place where they could hide him. While he was telling this to Aram, he was not even worried. When Aram observed that Murad was not even worried regarding horse, then he was sure that he was not going to carry the horse to his owner at any rate. Instead of this, he was going to hide the horse to a place which he knew. Where will we hide him? I said. Then Aram asked Murad where they would hide him. I know a place, he said. At this, Murad answered that he knew a place where they could hide the horse. How long ago did you steal this horse? I said. When Murad told Aram that he knew the place where they could hide the horse, then Aram was sure that Murad had stolen the horse. That is why he asked Murad how long ago he had stolen that horse. It suddenly dawned on me that he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. And suddenly a thought emerged in his mind, and he said to himself that Murad had been taking those early morning rides for many days, and he reached his house to offer a ride to him because he knew that Aram was also desirous to ride the horse. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. When Aram asked Murad how long ago he had stolen that horse, then Murad asked Aram, who said anything about stealing the horse? Anyhow, I said, how long ago did you begin riding every morning? At this, Aram changed his sentence and he said, he meant to ask how long ago he had started riding the horse. Not until this morning, he said. Then he replied, not until that morning. Are you telling the truth? I said. Then Aram asked Murad if he was telling the truth. Of course not, he said. But we are found out, that is what you are to say. I don't want both of us to be liars. All you know is that we started riding this morning. And when Aram asked Murad if he was telling the truth, then Murad answered, of course not, he was not telling the truth. It means it was sure that Murad had stolen the horse and he had been riding for many days. And he also advised Aram, if anybody asked about the horse riding, Then he had to say that they started riding the horse only that morning. He said this, he advised this to Aram because he did not want that both of them could be called liars. That is why he advised Aram that if anybody asked about horse riding, then he had to say that they had started riding only that morning. All right, I said. At this, Aram replied, okay. If anybody asked him about horse riding, then he would say that they started riding the horse only that morning. Aram was agreed with Murad because he was very desirous, to ride the horse. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. Now I request you to read and write the explanation which I will provide you in written, and tomorrow I will explain the next part of it. Thank you and have a nice day.